So many birds that I fed them bread. I wasn't out there with them. They flew off, and then I spreaded some bread out there.
Yeah.
All over. One of the birds came over here, greeted me. I think they said thank you for giving them the bird. I mean the bread. But I asked my mom if I could give them bread.
Yeah.
And she said that it was gonna go bad anyways. Stella's out. I'm hoping that she won't scare them off. Just like amazing. So many birds. Some of the... They haven't got the bread off of my dad's truck. Oh shit. There's a squirrel. A squirrel out there with birds. Oh my god!